How to cancel CapCut app subscription. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To cancel out a CapCut app subscription, check out your Play Store. Now, first thing that you need to know is to log in into your account that is actually connected with your CapCut. So make sure to switch up your Gmail of your Play Store as well. Then navigate to the profile icon that is in the top right. From here, give an option, click on Payment and Subscription. Tap on Subscriptions. Over here, you will find a CapCut app subscription if you have subscribed using the particular Gmail account. Then just quickly go ahead and unsubscribe the application. If you are an iOS user, you can check out your mobile settings. You can navigate to Payment and Subscription. There, locate the CapCut application where you can see the Cancel Out button along with Manage Subscription. Since we wish to cancel out the subscription, just tap on Cancel Subscription. After that, you have successfully cancelled your CapCut app subscription. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.